Stay stitching is done on a garment to support the garment while you are constructing it and to make sure that it doesn't stretch out of shape. When we sew seams, we'll sew them at 5/8 of an inch, and we'll be looking at this mark here or here to make sure we're stitching at the correct depth in from the edge. But with the stay stitching, we want to go to 4/8, and it's marked on my plate here and here. So I'll start, and I'll be watching this line here to make sure the edge of my fabric stays there. This is the two front pieces, and I have completed the stay stitching on the armhole edge and the centre front edge on both of those. So this will now keep this piece the correct shape and it won't distort as I'm constructing the garment.